Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making a simple heater using basic materials. Let's see how I put it together. First, prepare a 160mm diameter pipe, about 70 centimeters long. Then, cut along the marked line, a 60 centimeter section. Next, we'll need 2 small wooden blocks and 2 spring-like wires. These wires are actually nichrome heating coils used for generating heat. Then, connect the power wires, without plugging them in yet, to both ends of the heating coils. Now, firmly secure the 2 wooden blocks in place. Next, I used a DC cooling fan that runs on 12-volt DC power. It helps blow the hot air out, distribute the heat evenly, and protect the heating coil from overheating. I used a total of 5 fans to help distribute the heat more evenly. Note, you must use a power adapter that converts 220 volts AC to 12 volts DC, 2 amps, as the DC cooling fan cannot operate with voltage higher than 15 volts. Also, the device is designed to work only with 110 volts electricity. Do not exceed this limit to avoid fire hazards or damage to the components. All done. Let's check out our finished product. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.